Welcome everyone. Children, in this video we will see how to apply mathematical operations in series. As we know, series is the simplest data structure of Python pandas, and um in our previous video we have seen how to create series using different types of objects like array, list, dictionary, and using scalar value, etc. In this video we will see how to apply mathematical operations on the series object. So for this we will consider a series. Suppose this is our series S, and in this series we have elements 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. That means data part is 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, and the index is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Whenever we apply any operation on series, it works like a vector operation. So suppose we are going to add 2 in the series, then it will be added to each element of series. You can see here first element is 1, so 1 plus 2 is now 3, 3 plus 2 is 5, 5 plus 2 is 7, 7 plus 2 is 9, and 9 plus 2 is 11. That means whenever we add, subtract, multiply, divide any number, or we can apply these operations on series using any number, then that particular operation is applied on each element of series. So some examples are here. You have seen S plus 2 will be now like this. S into 2 means 2 will be multiplied with each element of series. Here S to the power 2 means each element will get squared. And in case of floor division, you know floor division, it give you the quotient value only. So when we divide element by 2, so in case of 1 it will divided by 2 0 times, and in case of 3 1 times, in case of 5 2 times only, in case of 7 2 3 just 6, that means 3 times, and in case of 9 it will 4. So these are the vector operation on series. We can apply mathematical operations on two series also. Suppose here we have a series S1, and it is created using S minus 1. That means previous series, this is your previous series S. It has 1, 3, 5, 7, 9 as the element, and after subtracting 1 from each the element, we get this S1. So now I am going to create a series, suppose S2, using this formula S plus S1. That means it is the sum of two series S and S1. So S2 will be 0 plus 1 1, and there we have 5. In case of series S, we have elements 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. So 0 plus 1 is 1, 3 plus 2 is 5, 5 plus 4 is 9, 7 plus 6 is 13, and 9 plus 8 is 17. That means whenever we apply mathematical operation on two series, then elements at corresponding index will be added, subtracted, or multiplied as per the operation. That means the operation will be applied on the elements having same index in both the series. So here is some examples you can see. Now let's see our examples or in our Jupyter notebook. Suppose S is a series. So first for creation of series I have to import pandas. I have imported. S is a series, so I write PD dot series, and simply I am making a series using a list. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 elements are there, and if I print this series, so it will be like this. We have already seen. Just wait, it is some processing is going on. So after this, I'll apply some mathematical operation on this series. That means I will add some element on the series. So this is your series. Now suppose I am going to add 2 in the series. So you can see 2 will be added in each element. Suppose I apply 2 in place of 2 I am writing 3. That means I want to create difference of series and the 3. That means each 3 will be subtracted from each of the element of series. So this will be the result. Similarly, we can apply these mathematical operations on 2 series also. So one already I have. Let's create another series. Suppose this is S1, and S1 is created by using suppose S plus 5. So if I print S1, so you can see this is S1, and S, you know, it is 1, 2, 3, 4. Earlier we have seen S is 1, 2, 3, 4, and S1 is 6, 7, 8, 9. So if I write suppose print S plus S1, so it will be S 6 plus 1, that is 7. That means element at index 0 in both the series will be added. Then element at index 1 in both the series will be added. So you can see this is your S1, and S is 1, 2, 3, 4. So 6 plus 1 is 7, 7 plus 2 is 9, 8 plus 3 is 11, and 9 plus 4 is 13. So in this way we have seen that in case we apply mathematical operation on 2 series, the element at similar indexes will be added, subtracted, or multiplied, or you can say that element at similar indexes will take part in the mathematical operation. So what will happen if we have different indexes in both the series? Suppose this series is S1, and I am going to create one more series. Suppose that is S2. So S2 equals to PD dot series, and here the elements are suppose 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. More elements are there, and shift enter. This series is created. Now suppose I write print S1 plus S2. Now you can see wherever indexes matches, it added the elements, but for those indexes where is no matching value in the other series, it will give you nan or not a number. That means in one series you have number, but in another series you don't have any number. That means not a number value, nan value. So whenever nan is added, subtracted, multiplied with any value, it will give you nan only. So you can see the result. This is your S2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 in S2 you have. In S1 you have This is your S1, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, so 6 will be added with 1, 7 will added with 2, 8 will be added in 3, and 9 will be added in 4. So first 4 indexes are same, but for index 4 and 5 we don't have any value in series S1, that's why the result is none. If we apply subtraction operation, again you will get the same, S1 minus S2. Here also for index 4 and 5 in series S2 we don't have any corresponding index value in series S1, that's why we get none. So in this way children, we have seen how to apply mathematical operation on series. Now see some more example very frequently like this. The same thing is here also. We have three series S1, S2, S3, S1 and S3. So when we add S and S3, here indexes are 1, 2, 3, 4. Here we have 101, 102, 103, 104. That means no indexes matches. So for 1, 2, 3, 4 indexes in S, we have none. And for 101, 102, 103, 104 indexes, again we have none. So in the result, we have all the indexes. That means you can say union of all the indexes in the result, and it depends. If indexes matches, it will add the value, and if indexes are non-matching, in that case it will give you none. So that is all for this video. In next video we will see head and tail function of series. Thank you so much children.